We're here with the Acer Predator Helios 700. Acer just announced this at their Next at Acer event in New York City. This laptop has a feature we have never seen before in a gaming laptop. This keyboard moves. You move the keyboard out. It exposes these two vents for the GPUs. You have these WASD keys, which I believe have a linear action on them. And then you have the trackpad with your click buttons down here in a wrist rest that has a little flexibility and sits here so that you can do work like this when you're gaming. It also has numeric keypad, Predator key. But I mean, come on, I could just do this all day just to watch that happen. We've never seen an action like this on a laptop, or the ability to do this. As a matter of fact, one of the problems I have with laptops is that I'm so limited to keeping my hands here, and so by moving this out, giving you a little more flexibility, and probably honestly just giving you more cooling potential with these open vents, they're making a gaming laptop that really stands out, has some really interesting new features. So obviously with this amazing sliding keyboard, a Core i9 processor, RTX 2080 graphics, the Predator Helios 700 is not going to be cheap. It's going to ship in April for $2,700. So the Predator Helios 700 isn't the only laptop to be announced today. So this is the Predator Helios 300. This is Acer's best-selling gaming laptop line. It's the best-selling gaming laptop on Amazon. It starts at $999. Acer is refreshing this product line with 9th gen Intel Core processors and RTX graphics. This model here has a 9th gen Core i7 with RTX 2060, but they're going to have up to RTX 2070 with Max-Q. So this is an all-plastic laptop, obviously, because it's lower cost. It's not particularly thin or light, but it does have a nice dark blue color scheme with light blue accents. So with these new Predator Helios laptops announced today, you're getting a lot of choices. On the value end with the Predator Helios 300, you're getting 9th gen Intel Core processors and RTX graphics starting at really good pricing. And at the high end with the Helios 700, you're getting that crazy sliding keyboard, but what the sliding keyboard allows is this great ventilation for the GPUs, which means that you won't have to compromise as much on performance when you're getting into really intensive gaming.